In this video, we will cover the different scanning options that Tosca provides. As you know, each time Tricentis Tosca scans UI or non-UI applications, it creates modules that contain all the technical information that you need to steer the controls. These modules are created in the Module section. To be able to see all the scan options, you need to either right-click a module folder or select a module folder and use the dynamic menu in the top ribbon and select Scan. The Scan drop-down menu offers different scanning options. You can select which type of scan you want to perform based on the application that you need to scan. Let's go through them one by one. First, we have Application. To scan graphical user interfaces, GUIs, such as HTML, .NET, WinForms, Browser, JavaFX, or SAP applications, select the Application option. Second, we have API. You can use this option to create API test cases using the API engine. API test cases can include REST and SOAP web services, XML, as well as many others. You can save and manage connections that you create in the API scan in the API Connection Manager. Additionally, you can use connections that you've configured in the API Connection Manager in API Scan. Furthermore, API Scan is used to test Orchestrated Service Virtualization, or OSV. That means you can export messages as OSV scenarios to Tosca Commander. And you can export messages from API Scan directly to OSV. Mobile. To scan Android or iOS mobile applications with the Tosca Mobile Engine 3.0, select the option Mobile. Depending whether you want to run your tests on Android or iOS, you have to make sure that you have prepared your test environment beforehand. PDF. The Tosca PDF Engine 3.0 allows you to scan PDF files to compare and verify text and images. Host. To scan host emulator sessions with the Host Engine 3.0, select Host. Host modules are X modules. You create them by using Tosca XScan on your host emulator. You need to ensure that you have an active and connected host emulator session before you begin the scan. Under the section More, you will find the following options. WebDriver. The Cross-Browser Engine 3.0 supports WebDriver. WebDriver is a generic interface which is implemented by all major browsers in order to consolidate automated testing of web pages. So that's Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge, and Safari. So in order to scan browsers, applications, or debug ports via WebDriver, select this option. Salesforce Scan. Salesforce modules are cross-browser modules and therefore created by Tosca XScan. With this Salesforce scan, you only need to enter your Salesforce credentials, and Tosca will automatically create modules that can be used to steer your Salesforce instance. File Scan. You can scan JSON and XML files directly from Tosca Commander and create modules from them without having to go through the API scan. And last but not least, Legacy Scan. To scan legacy applications, you would use the Legacy Scan. This scan uses the classic engines, meaning that you would only use this option if none of the above options can be used to scan your application. So now that you've seen the different scanning options that Tricentis Tosca provides, you're ready to go and able to determine which scan to use for your application.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis' continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.